Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to properly trim and maintain full afro hair step by step. If you want your afro to stay neat, balanced and healthy while maintaining its natural shape, then this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Before we begin, I would like to clear up a common misunderstanding. Many people actually refer to round fade as an afro, but that is not correct. An afro is full natural hair with volume and shape. A round fade, on the other hand, is a faded haircut with a round profile. Understanding the difference helps you communicate better with your barber and ask for exactly the style you want. Now, let us look at how to properly maintain a full afro. The first step is to use an afro comb to comb out the entire hair thoroughly. This lifts the hair evenly and helps you identify its natural shape. Proper combing is essential because it allows you to achieve a balanced and even trim. Never skip this step. Now, set your clipper lever to the halfway position and begin trimming the afro. As you walk, keep your hand steady and your movements controlled. A shaky hand can create uneven patches that are difficult to correct later. You can trim from the back towards the front or from the front towards the back. What matters most is maintaining an even, balanced shape across the entire head. Take your time and let the clipper glide naturally through the hair. After the first round of trimming, use your afro comb again to lift the hair. Then go over it a second time. This second pass allows you to remove any uneven areas and refine the overall shape. Be careful not to trim too deeply. Remember, it is always easier to remove a little more hair than it is to fix a hair that is cut too short. Professional barbering is all about patience and precision. Once you are satisfied with the trim, it is time for line up. Close your clipper lever completely and begin defining the hairline carefully. Take your time with this stage. A clean, natural lineup enhances the entire haircut and gives the afro a sharp, well-finished appearance. Focus on keeping your lines straight and balanced. Next, line up the back of the head. And clean the neckline by removing any unwanted hair. A neat neckline completes the haircut and ensures the client looks clean from every angle. It is a small detail that makes a big difference. To give the haircut an even sharper finish, use a razor blade to refine the hairline. This adds extra definition and creates a crisp, professional finish. Always use light, controlled strokes and work carefully to protect the client's skin. And there we have it, a neatly trimmed, well-maintained full afro with a clean, natural finish. Maintaining an afro isn't about cutting off a lot of hair. It is about preserving its shape, balance, and healthy appearance. I hope you learned something valuable from today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, share it with someone who might find it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more professional barber tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.